I've just got a couple minutes with you. I want to chat through a little bit about our, the challenges that we're hearing from customers today. So classic stats slide here, setting the stage for the challenges that many organizations are facing. And what we've heard from customers is that the security and data teams are often siloed. And with that, the emergence of AI and the desire to adopt it within organizations, it's critical more than ever to bring those teams together, right? I think as Jagan mentioned, and showing that framework, how it's not just about the governance side and the data, but also need to consider those risks and the security piece as well. So 31%, oh, sorry, go back one. I just want to quickly touch on the things. So yes, you can see here the 31% of organizations, only 31% have established this global data architecture. Gartner, second stat here, Gartner is also predicting that by 2027, at least one global company will see its AI deployment banned by a regulator for non-compliance. And obviously with that comes regulatory fines, which can be really costly. And then lastly, 63% of organizations don't believe that they have the right data classification, metadata, and change management for AI. They can go ahead now. Awesome, thank you. Not only is there challenge organizationally, but also with technology, and the lack of integration across these disparate solutions, often leads to duplicate copies of data, unnecessary data transfers, inconsistent data classification, siloed investigations, and on. And this ultimately exposes, new types of data risks. I'll assume these challenges look familiar and the needs listed on the right ring true in your organization. This really asks, for a simpler and more effective way to secure and govern your data. And so the end goal here is to ensure the organization can deliver accelerated value from your data through a unified platform that allows you to secure and govern your entire data estate. And now you can go ahead. Perfect. So this is where Fabric and Purview come in, and I'll take a moment just to talk through both of them. So Fabric here, it provides this complete AI-powered data platform, gives you all the tools your data scientists, your data engineers, data warehousing people, and BI professionals need. So this is all in a unified, pre-integrated, optimized SaaS platform. And then we have Purview. If you want to go next slide. And I want to make sure that folks are familiar with Purview. You might have heard the term Azure Purview. That was our old data catalog. That has since merged with our compliance and security solutions. So it's really the power of the combination of the data security, the left-hand column. So this is typically for your security leaders. The center column, data governance for your data office and consumers. And then on the right-hand side, we've got data compliance for those risk leaders, and it brings that all together in a unified experience and a unifying underlying platform. And you can see there's some shared platform capabilities. And these are all anchored on this common foundation, right, to allow you to securely navigate and innovate through your digital transformation. And then with Purview, your data and Fabric is supplemented with industry-leading security and governance. So there's obviously security and governance already built into Fabric, but Purview is an additional layer on top of that and helps you prepare as you're looking to adopt AI. If you want to go next slide. Just want to make sure to call out Purview, obviously extends to Microsoft 365 data, but it also covers other data platforms, business apps, co-pilots, third-party services, and it's on a continuous journey to kind of secure and govern data, not just in Fabric or Microsoft, but wherever it lives. Next slide. And so the combination of Fabric and Purview are what we call the Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform, and that's where it allows you to store, analyze, and govern all your data. And with all of these, you can use your data in Fabric and utilize Purview for advanced security and governance capabilities, which I mentioned earlier.